Ready for the dictation. 5 seconds to go. Start. Constitution Day was celebrated on November 26 this year too, with the Government of India organizing a grand event in the Central Hall of Parliament to remind citizens that the Indian Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly this day 72 years ago. As usual, speeches were made about the greatness of the Constitution, but politics was not kept out entirely. In fact, there is always an unexisting predictability about these speeches that is largely attributable to the of the political class. Para. It is not certain whether the various speeches made on this occasion every year have enlightened the younger generation of India about the historical background of the Constitution. It is a fair guess that the new generation in this country knows pretty little about the freedom struggle led by Gandhi and the. For the information of this generation, let me state a few facts. The framing of the Constitution is not an isolated and accidental event in the sense that one fine morning a few barristers and jurists got together and decided that India needed a constitution and began writing it. It is the culmination of long years of the struggle for freedom which consumed a countless number of previous lives of ordinary Indians. The Indian National Congress, under the leadership of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, had demanded in 1935 a constituent assembly to frame a constitution for free India, and Nehru wanted the election to be held to the assembly on the basis of adult Francis. As it happened, the Constituent Assembly came to be constituent 11 years later in 1946, but the election was held on the basis of communal representation.